The weather is brought to you in part by the Water and Sewerage Authority. Water, use what you need.
It's April. It marks the beginning of the dust season, as you can call it that. That's the time in between April and August where we tend to get a lot of the Saharan dust coming across the Atlantic into the Caribbean. Right now, we're looking still at that dust cloud, which is still making its way west towards the island chain. It may possibly near us by the weekend. So obviously by then, definitely watching for the skies to turn quite hazy. But before then, lots of sunshine around for Tobago. Not much chance of a shower. There's a low chance of us seeing a light shower as you go through the day. Similarly for Trinidad overnight, mostly clear and fine towards Wednesday morning as well. Only Arima, Piarco, Sandy Grande, the usual areas where we could see a few showers passing by first thing in the morning, but during the afternoon, a lot of sunshine is expected. So if you are going to be out and about, drink lots of water and obviously wear a hat if you're going to be out there under the prolonged sunshine. Temperature-wise, looking at a low of 22 degrees Celsius, quite cool tonight in Trinidad, 24 in Tobago, slightly milder along the coastlines there, highs of 31 in Tobago, 32 likely in Trinidad tomorrow. For the rest of the working week, it seems as though mostly fair skies are expected. Just a brief shower, possibly no longer than half an hour. And then once we get into late Friday going to Saturday, possibility of a few more showers passing through. Now heading offshore, those fresh easterly winds persist at 15 knots. Could be bringing a few whitecaps further offshore, but the waves still remain moderate at 2 meters out in the Atlantic, closer to 1.5 through the Caribbean, and east-northeasterly swells of 8 seconds. Now, most of the activity across the Caribbean will actually be towards the western half, especially around Cuba. This cold front is set to slip south, likely to bring a lot more showers and the possibility of some of them turning thundery across Havana first thing in the morning for Wednesday. For the rest of the Greater Antilles, it's mostly settled. Santo Domingo and Kingston, highs of 30 degrees Celsius. Similarly, clear skies expected for the Eastern Caribbean through the Windward and Leeward Islands. Not much is set to change. High pressure is firmly in charge here and even down towards Georgetown. Just patches of cloud are expected. There's a lower chance of showers around Georgetown. You'll pick up most of the activity the further south you head into Guyana. But for us, sunny and breezy with just a stray shower around. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.
The weather was brought to you in part by the Water and Sewerage Authority. Water, use what you need.